Spicy. We are back with another special, and this one is going to help you skirt around having to give any patronage to Chick-fil-A. Today we are going to be making the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. I'm really excited to try this one because I've never actually gotten to try the Popeyes chicken sandwich since it's always sold out. But you can see we have a nice wide variety of spices and stuff we're going to be using to making these. The best part is I found the pretzel buns again, so we are going to get to use pretzel buns with these. Where is it? Our total cost for all this is $36.05, which is a little bit more than just buying the sandwich from Popeyes, but this makes a bunch, so at least I'll have a bunch of them. I also found hot okra pickles, which if you like okra, you will love those. Okra's got kind of a weird texture, so if you've never had okra before, be cautious, but I think they're really good, so I wanted to have those as well as regular pickles. That way we can kind of go through both. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, by the way, I'm saving the environment by choosing Annie's mac and cheese to go on the side. So the first thing we're doing is making the chicken marinade, and you can either use it right away after you mix that together, or you can let it sit overnight. I'm just gonna use it right away because it doesn't, who said that? It doesn't matter too much. So here's our chicken. We actually need to beat up the chicken first to make it a little more flat and then cut it apart. So let me do that and then we can put it all together. These are now done. I'm gonna put them off to the side for now, and then we can get started on the mayo, because that can also be put away once we're done with it. The forbidden pillow. And that is now two things done. We can put this away and then get started on the breading and actually cooking them. Cornstarch is very messy, I found out. It's like powdered sugar, except gets stuck on everything. Okay, so now we are ready to actually put these together. So let me get out a at this point we just fry them. So the only thing I learned from this is that I will never be able to mimic the Popeyes breading. The instructions said to mix in about like 2 to 3 tablespoons of the the marinade to kind of clump up the breading a little bit, but I found out that wasn't necessarily enough, so I added a little more, and then it got a little too chunky. So there's some happy medium where you get some chunks and some like dry breading. You can see this first one is kind of lacking and the rest of them are like super heavy. So I'm not good at this. But other than that, I've got my pretzel bun toasted in the pan. Let's see how that does. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh, crispy. And then we have all of our toppings. We got lettuce and tomato. I'm kind of making these a little more fancy than the regular recipe, which was just the mayonnaise and like the pickles. So yeah, we got our toppings. We got our mayo here. And let's, at this point, put everything together. So it's a bit on the tall side, but it looks really awesome. Mistakes were made. I kind of stacked everything and now it's huge. So yeah. The mac and cheese isn't done because I'll wait until later to make that because this one was kind of complicated. So I'll get that out to you later. Other than that, I'm hungry and I want to eat this and it smells really good. So I'm excited to try this one. Thanks for watching and let me know if you change up anything and it works for you, you know, the usual.